What's that? Some trash there. Some garbage. This one sounds big here. I gotta watch out my detector doesn't roll down the hill there. The ground's really hard here, so at least the ground's loose. Oh, some junk right there. Some aluminum, melted aluminum. I'm in 74 kilohertz here. Oh yeah. There's an old drum to a wash machine right there, and there's an old car somewhere back here. We climbed down the bank there a few years back and went and explored around that old car. We're not able to get to it right now. It's way too many stickers, man. Overgrown hardcore.
I think that is where the belt buckles were.
It was right up here.
No, it's behind. I remember seeing you from there, I think. Should have been on that. Maybe right there, huh?
Oh, look at this, right here. Somebody dug a hole right there. Somebody dug a hole right there, yep.
This is where it was, probably where we dug.
Yeah, there's another hole right here. Somebody dug a hole right here. Right here. Dig this one out there. Some cancel off right there. Jim and I found a bunch of buckles here, right up along the strip, right up here. Just not too long ago, last spring. This last spring here. There's another dig hole right there. Right there. We don't have. There's another dig hole right there. We don't have our shovels today with us, so I just want to. Huh?
Copper.
Copper, yeah.
Copper here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure copper. Yep, definitely copper. I keep that stuff or recycle it. That stuff really adds up, man. Once you get a bucket full of that stuff, it's several $100.
$4 a pound it adds up.
Yep, it adds up. That brass and copper adds up big time. Overload. I'm not going to try to go for that one. It's too big. Look at this pipe right here. It's aluminum.
Yep. So
Yeah. Jeez, man.
where the buckles were.
Yep, right up here. There's another dig hole right here.
Old iron flashlight, looks like.
No. Overload. No, just a piece of iron there next to a old jug or old bottle there. There's another dig holes right here too. Oh, somebody's been digging right here. See this? See this square right here? Somebody's been digging right here.
Come out here with a shovel and dig.
Yep, digging for bottles. Somebody's been digging for bottles. I found a pile of bottles out over there. Look at that area right there, Jim. Look at this area right down here. See how it's flat right there?
Those buckles were coming up at a weird thing. Is that a house or an old cabin?
I don't know. I don't know, dude. It seems like it's really flat right down there.
Now that's old bottle dump.
Yep.
I didn't find nothing that way until I got up here.
Yeah, I think we just passed it. It was right there. That's where we found all those buckles. Just a handful of buckles one day. Yep, we'll go back.
Got one right here.
A buckle?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, right there. See that? Right on the surface. Right there. Right where that dig hole, right where this patch was right here. It's crazy, man. Awesome buckle there.
There's one.
Right there. Another buckle right here. Right there. Hell yeah. Gotta get down here. A couple of them here. 2 of them.
That piece of one too?
Buckle right there. Buckle right there. There's another buckle right there.
Look.
2 buckles. Another horse ring. Horse ring. Some brass right there. It's a rivet. A copper rivet right there.
Jack rivet?
Brass rivet. See that? Leather rivet.
Yeah, there's tons of them here.
Little piece of aluminum right there. Some horse tack right there. This one sounded really irony here.
That's a buckle, I guarantee you.
No, it's a nail right there. Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's not. There's another one right here.
My God, this ground is just brutally hard, man. This is something very large, way overload here.
This is my pinpoint.
This is just a huge piece of iron here. I'll have to get it out though. If I can get it out, right there, some iron. Just throw it off in the bushes there.
You want to mess around here, you find a lot of those.
Yeah. Buckle right here. Right. Buckle right there.
Could be.
Iron buckle. Oh boy, this hard ground here is just brutal. Buckle right there, I was right. See that? Right here.
Another one, huh?
Yep, a little one with the clasp on it. See that? See that? Crazy. Yeah, someone's been digging here. They can been extracting bottles here.
Here's one.
Sticker bushes here, these thorns here. Shove all that stuff down there. I found a buffalo nickel just right in this area here. Here's another dig pit right here, right where that bottle was at and the iron was at. Somebody's been digging for bottles here. Right here.
Look at this piece of iron.
Crazy. Crazy, right here. There's a good one. Some brass. Looks like some brass. Oh, it's part of a buckle. It's broken. Oh, there's all kinds of glass down there. Yeah, all kinds of ceramic plates and stuff down there too. Just all kinds of overload stuff there. Big piece of iron here. This could be another buckle too. A large buckle. No, just a large piece of iron here. It's a buckle, or it's a, it is a buckle. Wow, look at this one. Crazy, dude. Yep. Look at that. Buckles galore, man. What the hell, Jim? Look at that, dude. Crazy, dude. Just bizarre.
That was old hackamore for a horse.
There's an old car right in here somewhere. 1950s coupe, all smashed. Looks like it got in a wreck and they just pushed it down the bank there. I don't know about this target here. I don't have a shovel with me, so I'm not going to try too hard on these targets here. I don't want to break stuff. Horse tack right there. Harness ring. Okay. Another one right here. Another harness ring. Sounds really irony. So. It's a nail right there. Oh my gosh. Glass in the hole there. Nails. Another nail right there. It's right here. Freaking thorns. I can't set my pinpointer down anywhere because there's so much iron here. Right there. Some junk. Iron. Junk. Just throw it in the bushes. That whole hillside down there is just full of iron and all kinds of crap. Oh yeah, what do we got here? This is a screamer. Sounds like there's a big piece of cancel out right there. Right there around the surface. I'm in 74 kilohertz. High frequency here. I'm not gonna be able to dig that one out. It's just too deep, too big today. Another buckle right here. Let's do it. Buckle. You learn the tones. Oh boy. This ground is just brutally dry. Right there. Just gonna pull it. Right there, brass. Right there. Oh boy, something really big there. Too big. My God, Jim. Yep, something big. Hell yeah. Oh, right on the surface here. Overload. Oh my gosh, this ground is dry here. Oh my God. Break my freaking hand digger on this. Here, overload. Some iron. It's an ore lock right there. My bag is getting pretty full of harness rings and buckles, so I don't know how much longer we can do this.
I got enough from last time. I want more of them.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch from last time too. It's crazy. We got what, 24? We got 24 buckles out of here our last hunt. And I got a buffalo nickel and a lighter, a really old lighter. Really crazy. It was in good condition too, the lighter. You know, if I had a shovel and the conditions were a little bit better, I'd be digging targets out like that. Right. But not today. I don't want to hurt my wrist. Gosh darn it. Come back later on when the ground is soft. Alrighty. Well, thank you for watching.